Hi, welcome to Varaj Creations. Today we shall discuss on evolution and growth of personnel management in India. The evolution and growth of personnel management in India can be understood from following steps. 1. Historical roots. Personnel management in India traces back to the origin of organizations. The concept is as old as the organization itself. 2. Feudal system. In the feudal system, landlords hired workers, paid wages, and supervised their work, which can be seen as an early form of personnel management. 3. Apprentice training. Another traditional concept is the apprentice training method where master craftsmen selected, trained, and supervised apprentices in a particular craft or trade. 4. Industrial Revolution impact. The Industrial Revolution, around 1850, had a significant impact on the growth of personnel management in India. The increased labor force and labor movements led employers to appoint specialists to handle labor relations. Thus we can see how personnel management in India has evolved from traditional practices like feudal systems and apprentice training to more specialized roles due to the growth of industries and the rise of labor movements. The need of evolution and growth of personnel management in India can be summarized as below. 1. Early recognition. The earliest recognition of the need for a dedicated personnel role came with the recommendation of the Royal Commission on Labour. They suggested appointing labor officers to handle employment and dismissal of workers, independent of jobbers. 2. Bombay Dispute Conciliation Act, in 1934. This act led to the appointment of government labor officers to address labor grievances. The Bombay Mill Owners Association was persuaded to appoint their own labor officer, followed by other textile mills. 3. Shift from police to welfare functions. Initially, labor officers had police-like functions. However, with the enactment of the Factories Act in 1948, their focus shifted towards welfare and safety functions for workers. 4. Impact of labor movement. The strong labor movement in India, supported by government legislation, pressured management for better personnel practices. This resulted in improved wages, leave provisions, health, and welfare for workers. 5. Establishment of personnel departments. These developments created a need for full-fledged personnel departments to manage all labor relations matters. 6. Role of academics and research. Academics and research scholars have also contributed significantly to the growth and development of personnel management as a distinct function in India. In summary, this section traces the evolution of personnel management in India from early recommendations for labor officers to the establishment of dedicated departments, driven by labor movements, government legislation, and academic contributions.